Hi, this is Samantha Battleson. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on Google Tour Builder. First, I do want to mention that Google does have a more updated version of this software or this program. And it is included in the Dickinson ISD Google for Education package. So in Expeditions, the kids have like a 3D experience. You can use, I believe, like Google phones, tablets, all of these things. Unfortunately, the way technology is in our district, this would be very difficult for me as a teacher to use my classroom unless I wanted to let my students use their own personal cell phones, and then we would be making these goggles right here. I mean, it's very, very cool. It's a 3D VR experience. It's an inexpensive way to use VR. They do sell the kits, so you can make that happen. And then they have access to really neat, diverse places. What I have used before in my classroom as an English teacher is Tour Builder. So Tour Builder is more, it's outdated. It's not their most recent program, but Tour Builder is much more accessible and easy to use with our students. It taps into Google Maps and all the information that's already in there, and you create a journey for your students through the Google map that you want to. So when I did this, I used it with Great Expectations. My freshman pre-AP students read Great Expectations every year. I don't teach that course anymore, but when I did, the idea was that my students could then follow Pip's journey through England. You can add information, instructions, all kinds of things. I could put text in with this introduction here. Then go to the next place. This is Chalk Pit Forge. This is where Pip grew up with his aunt and uncle. There is Street View. Kids can look around. I'm trying to remember how to do that right here. And they can see the actual location. Then it takes them to Restoration House, which is the inspiration for Satis House, which is a very important house in Great Expectations. So the students, get to experience. So right there, this house right here. This was Dickens' inspiration for Satis House. It even has the iron gate. So this can be used in many different ways in your classroom. It's a great way to introduce students to new locations without them actually having to go there. How many of our students are going to visit Newgate Prison? But thanks to technology, they're able to experience it and see what it looks like anyways. Okay, well, that's Google Tour Builder. Very simple. You can share it. There's a link to share. You could very easily put this link into Google Classroom. When you create your tours, you just have to name them. And you add locations very easily. So let's say I want to do Dickinson Public Library. So now it's taking me to Dickinson Public Library. It's putting a pen there. I click Add to Tour. And then I can add videos, I can add photos, I can do anything I want here. Hello, this is the library. This would have great implications with novels and in social studies classes. If you have any questions, please let me know. Once again, this is Samantha Battleson. Thank you for joining me today.